Dalla Corea. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Sojong Park.
Susan Park. What's your name?
도일 Kim.
Tuil Kim. What's your name?
정난 Shin.
And you?
Junbom Park.
Okay. Park Kim. Some of your name. And what is your opinion about Napoli? Why are you here in Napoli? Just for Kim or also for the city, for Napoli?
At first, I come because of Kim, but I saw the Serie A league and I fall in love with this league. So I come this Maradona stadio.
Ha detto che è venuta non solo per Kim ma anche per la Serie A perché si è innamorata di questo campionato. And what is your opinion about Napoli, about Kim? Tell me something.
Only one. I like Italia.
Ah, Italia. And Napoli, do you like Napoli?
I like Lobotka only.
Ah, Lobotka, quindi è un fan di Lobotka, il nostro piccolo amico. Chiedo the same question also for you.
Oh yeah. So I came to Napoli to see Kim, but I also like Insigne, Mertens, Kayon, Maradona, Hamsik. So like I really love those players, and I like Napoli, so that's why I'm here.
E ovviamente Hamsik, Mertens, Kayon were players. Now obviously not, but are you interested also on the story of Napoli, no?
I'm really interested in the story of Napoli, and like the current players are really good right now, and they're top in the Serie A league. So yeah, that's why I'm here to see the match in my eyes.
I hope that will be a good match. And for you, what is your opinion about Napoli, the city, and also all the atmosphere here outside the stadium?
I love Napoli.
La sintesi perfetta. Thank you very much, guys. And can you say Forza Napoli in Korean language? Come on, Napoli in Korean language.
나폴리 화이팅!
Everybody.
하나, 둘, 셋! 나폴리 화이팅!
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice match. Grazie mille ai nostri amici coreani. Salutiamo e ringraziamo anche il nostro solito amico Buona Seba. Seba, ciao.
Ciao. Forza Napoli!
Sei in diretta anche tu, quindi ti lascio alla tua diretta. Un pronostico, quanto finisce stasera?
3-0.
3-0, vai, 3-0.
Bye bye Mourinho. Ciao.
Ciao, bye anche Seba. Thank you very much all of you and have a nice match, guys. Ok? Thank you. Ciao ragazzi. And chi parla qui è Marco Lombardi e tra l'altro fare anche venire il nostro